Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus related to your examinations. Now in today's class we take and solve some important questions based on trigonometric ratios. We already discussed about that topic, but just we just discuss about just to simplify. Now let see some important questions, dear students, based on trigonometric ratios. And the question is if 5 tan theta minus 4, if 5 tan theta minus 4 is equal to 0, okay, if 5 tan theta minus 4 is equal to 0, then find the value of then find the value of then find the value of 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta upon 4 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. We find the value of this. Dear sir, this is a very important question related to your chapter trigonometric identities. Okay. Now look, what is the process to solve that question? Dear students, here very important a relation is given in that question. Means in that question we have 5 tan theta minus 4 is equal to 0, and we find the value of 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. So what is the process of that question? Let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all we write the given relation which is given in our question. Since we have 5 tan theta minus 4 is equal to 0, so from there we get 5 tan theta is equal to 4 plus 4, so tan theta is equal to 4 upon 5. So based on that question is simplified in two ways. First, for making right angle triangle, means in this way, if you write a right angle triangle, you take a right angle triangle B, and you take tan, this is theta, and you know that the tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. In this way you also solve that question. But another method to solve that question is what? Now look, since the value of 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is what? We just divided both the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Because of if we just divide both the numerator and denominator by cos theta, then we get here sin theta, this is tan theta, and this is 1. So we direct put the value of tan theta. Or if we divide both the numerator and denominator by cos theta, then we get what? 5 sin theta upon cos theta minus 4 cos theta upon cos theta upon this is 5 sin theta upon cos theta plus this is 4 cos theta upon cos theta. Now look here, cos cancel to each other, cos cancel to each other. So from there we get as 5 tan theta minus 4 upon this is 5 tan theta plus 4. 5 tan theta plus 4. Now what I do? Now dear student, we just put the value of tan theta as 4 upon 5 as 4 upon 5. So now here we put tan theta is 4 upon 5, so we get 5 tan theta is 4 upon 5, this is minus 4 upon this is 5 into 4 upon 5 and plus 4. Now we simplify them, 5 cancel to each other, so we get 4 minus 4 upon This is 4 plus 2, that is 0 upon 8, that is 0. So in this way, the value of the given expression is what? 0. Okay. So dear student, this is the method to solve that type of questions based on trigonometry ratios. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take some important question, and your question is, we take some important questions related to your syllabus. Okay. Now we take very important questions related to trigonometric ratios. Look, if theta is an acute angle, okay, if theta is an acute angle, okay, and tan theta plus cot theta and tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Okay, is equal to 2. Find the value of of 10 to the power 7 theta plus cot to the power 7 theta. Okay, this is your question. This is also a very important question of your syllabus. Now let's see its solution. Here, look, here the question is, theta is an acute angle and a relation is given in our question, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Find the value of 10 to the power 7 theta plus cot to the power 7. So dear friends, in that type of questions, first of all we find the value of theta. First we find the value of theta. After that we put the value of theta in the given expression which we find and simplify them. In this way we get our result. Now look, we have, since we have tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Now from there cot theta is 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. So we take here LCM. So we take, this is tan theta. Now tan into tan we get as tan square theta plus 10 divided by 10. So we 1 1 is 1 is equal to 2. Now from there we get as, we do the cross multiplication. So tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. Okay, now we get what? We get as what? This is tan square theta, right as it is. Now 2 tan theta transfer that side, and this is minus 2 tan theta and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now okay, dear students, what I do? Now we do their factorization by the method of splitting the middle term. Now we do their now we splitting the middle term by using the method of factorization. Look, we get as what? This is tan square theta, right, as it is, minus tan theta minus tan theta and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we take tan theta as common, so we get tan theta minus 1, here minus 1 is common, so tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get as what? Tan theta minus 1 in one bracket and tan theta minus 1 is, though we have the same value, thus dear friends we get what? We can write as tan theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, that is tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. If tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, then we can write as tan theta is equal to 1, so tan theta is equal to tan 45, because of the value of tan 45 is 1. So now in this way the value of theta is 45 degree. In this way the value of theta is what? 45 degree. Now dear friends, we find the value of theta, which is 45. Now we put this value in the given expression. In this way we get our result. Let's see. Thus tan to the power 7 theta plus cot to the power 7 theta is equal to what? We put the value of theta as what? 45 degree. So we get tan cot 7 45 degree plus cot 7 45 degree. Okay, and the value of tan 45 is what? 1, and also the value of cot 45 is 1. So we get as 1 to the power 7 plus 1 to the power 7. So we get 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric ratios, which is very important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take some other important questions based on trigonometric ratios. And the question is, if cosec theta is equal to 2, if cosec theta is equal to 2, then find the value of then find the value of 1 upon tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. This is the question here. Okay, so this is a very important questions based on trigonometric ratio. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we have cosec theta is equal to 2. So So from there we find the sin theta, because of we know that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, so the value of sin theta is 1 upon 2. Now we again using the algebraic identities and we find the value of cos theta like that. Look, since also we know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So we get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin is what? 1 by 2 whole square. So we get 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. So we get cos theta is equal to under root 3 by 4 under root 3 upon 2. Cos theta is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Okay. Now, so in this way we find sin theta as well as cos theta by the help of the given value. Now also we find the tan theta because of we also know the now tan theta we can write sin theta upon cos theta. So we get the value of tan theta is the value of sin theta is what? 1 upon 2 now 1 upon 2, and the value of cos theta is what? Root 3 upon 2. So 2 to cancel each other, so 1 upon under root 3. This is the value of tan theta. Now we put all these values in the given expressions. Thus the value of 1 upon tan theta sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta is what? 1 upon under root 3. Sin theta is what? This is 1 by 2 upon 1 plus cos theta is what? Root 3 by 2. The value of cos theta is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now we simplify them. So we get root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is what? 2 plus root 3 upon 2. 2 to cancel to each other. Okay. Now we get under root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus under root 3. Now what I do? Now in that term we do their rationalization. We rationalize them. So we must multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 minus under root 3. And this is 2 plus under root 3 into 2 minus under root 3 is there. So we get as plus 2 minus root 3 upon, this is a square minus b square, so we can a square minus root 3 square is 3. So 2 to the 4 minus 3, that is 1. So we get under root 3 plus 2 minus under root 3. So root 3 cancel to each other. So we get as 2 is required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way we get the solution of the given question as 2. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question, because of all these questions is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now dear student, we take and solve some other important questions. Based on these topics. Let's see. And question is, we take some other important question of your syllabus based on T ratio, trigonometric ratio. If cos theta is equal to if cos theta is equal to 8 upon 17, okay, 8 upon 17, find the value of tan theta. Now let's see solution. We have the value of cos theta, means cos theta is given as 8 upon 17, and we just find the value of tan theta. Okay, now look, now first of all, dear student, what I do now, first of all we find the value of sin theta by the help of the identity. So since we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta 1 minus cos square is what? Whole square, okay? It's also 289, okay? So we take the LCM as sin square theta is equal to, we take LCM as 289, so this is 289 minus 64, that is 5, this is 2 upon 289, okay? Now what I do, we take, now we remove the square that side, sin theta is equal to square root 225 upon 289, 225 upon 289. Now the square root of 225 is what? 15. So here we are 15, and the square root of 289 is what? 70. So 15 upon 17 is the value of sin theta. Thus the value of tan theta, means we can write sin tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta. We can write the value of tan theta as sin upon cos. So we get tan theta is, sin theta is what? 15 upon 17 upon cos theta is what? 8 upon 17. Because we know that this is also a very important algebraic identities now. The tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So in this way, tan theta is equal to, we can write the value, we put the value of sin theta as 15 upon 17, and the value of cos theta is 8 upon 17. Now 17, 70, answer to is the, so the value of tan theta is what? 15 upon 8. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise by using the identity. Dear student, you can solve this question by form the right angle triangle, and you apply the concept of base upon sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base. So you also solve all these questions based on these concepts. Okay, so now in this way we can resolve all the important questions, some important questions related to the topic. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and discuss some important questions based on trigonometry ratios. So please, first of all, you revise all the questions discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Thereafter, you can able to solve each and every question of your NCERT. So now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Okay, now thanks to all. Dear student, now we take and solve one more question based on these topics. Okay, and the question is, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, right angled at C, right angled at C, if tan of angle A is equal to 1, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that then verify that 2 into sin A into cos A is equal to 1. 2 into sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Now let's see its solution. Okay. Dear student, this is also a very important question. Now let's see its solution. Since we have tan A is equal to 1, so 1 we can write 1 upon 1. This is perpendicular upon base. So first we draw a right angle triangle. ABC right angled at A, right angled at A. Okay. Now this is 1k. We take it. This is 1k. So that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is what? 1k square plus 1k square. That is AC square is equal to k square plus 1k square, that is 2k square. From there AC is equal to under root 2k square, so we get under root 2 into k. In this way, the value of AC is what? Under root 2 into k. Okay, thus this is the value of angle A. Now sine of angle A, the value of this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? 1k upon hypotenuse under root 2k. K cancel to each other. So sine A is equal to 1 upon under root 2. And cos of angle A based upon hypotenuse. Base is 1k and hypotenuse is under root 2k. So k cancel. So this is the value of cos A is also equal to 1 upon root 2. Now we just verify 2 sin A into cos A, cos theta, 2 sin A into cos A. Cos A is equal to what? 1. Now we take left hand side LHS. Now we take LHS, which is what? 2 sin A into cos A, so we get 2 into 1 upon under root 2, 1 upon under root 2, 2 upon 1 upon 2, because under root 2 into under root 2 is what? 2. So this is 2 to cancel together, so 1. This is your RH, hence verify. Hence verify. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, this is one of the most important questions based on the topic. Which topic? Based on the topic trigonometric ratios. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Thus, just in next class we take and discuss some other important topic related to your syllabus. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.